In this tutorial, I will explain how you can convert your photo into an abstract art painting. You don't have to download any software, sign up for any account, or get stuck with a watermark. Start off by opening up the LunaPic site if you haven't done so already. I included a link to it in the description box if you can't find it. Afterwards, upload your photo to LunaPic. With the photo on the server, hover the mouse cursor over to the Art tab. You should then select Abstract from the drop-down menu. Once the image has finished processing, you can click the Download Now link to download it if you are satisfied with the results. If you want to make adjustments, use the slider on top to change the strength of the effect. Click the Adjust button to apply the change. If you want the colors to look more like the original photos, then you can click the Keep Your Colors box. You can also click the Animate box to turn your image into an animated GIF. Once you are satisfied with the changes, click the Download Now link. If this video helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button in the description.